So this is Midlands Partnership Foundation Trust, and these are the older adult wards here. I'm quality matron for older people's services.
And I am the occupational therapist on Bromley ward across these older adult wards. We're sort of an inpatient setting who support people that are sort of experiencing sort of crisis in mental health or severe mental health.
So we have two older adult wards here. One specialises in dementia care and the other on functional illness. So we have people admitted to us that, with them being older adults, can be quite physically unwell as well as mentally unwell. We've put a lot of sort of money into the garden over the years just because it is a space where patients can come out and, escape the sort of hospital environment. And, as we can see now, patients, have their families come and visit them in the garden. So it's really important that this is a nice area.
So we were looking into some new benches in general, as we're looking very sort of tired and we needed new ones really. We'd got, but part of when we were looking, we wanted some that were sort of quite weighted really, so couldn't be easily moved and things like that. But we're sort of quite big within the trust on sustainability and looking at ways in which we can sort of increase our sustainability and be more efficient in that respect. So really like the idea that you utilised sort of plastic that would have ended up within landfill, and actually that's gone into making something that can be reused.
I think what's great about these benches is that they should last a lifetime and we don't need to worry about the upkeep. So a lot of resource went into us having to replace garden furniture, and that was costing a lot of money. So for us it made sense to invest in something a little bit more expensive that actually in the long run would save us money, as there's no upkeep to them, and they'll last a lifetime.